हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू राय जुडिशियल क्लासेस। आज हम बिहार एपीओ के लॉ क्वेश्चन पेपर के साथ आए हैं। आज हम इस क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व करेंगे। इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में भी 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं। सही आंसर देने पे 1 मार्क्स दे दिए जाएंगे और गलत होने पर 1/4 मार्क्स डिडक्ट कर लिए जाएंगे। मैं क्वेश्चंस पढ़ दूंगा, आप वीडियो को पॉज कर लीजिए और उसका आंसर एक जगह लिख लें और मेरे साथ फिर चेक करें। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मैच द फॉलोइंग। आंसर्स देख लीजिए। वन का आंसर होगा बी। सेकंड, X and Y agreed to commit murder of Z by poisoning, and Y was to procure poison, but he did not procure it. X and Y are guilty of. 2 का आंसर D. Which of the following statements are correct? D is the right answer. The right to private defense extends to the causing of death when the assault is made with the intention of wrongfully confining a person. Question 4th. A sent through the post office a packet containing seditious publications with a covering letter requesting the addressee to circulate it to others. It was intercepted and never reached the addressees. A. What he has done. Answer A. Option number A. 5th, which one of the following is an inchoate crime? Answer B. 6th, assault in order to outrage the modesty of a woman is punishable under. Answer D. 7. In theft, there must be C. Intention to take any movable property. 8. Which of the following is not an illustration of assault? Answer B. 9th, A places men with firearms at the outlets of a building and tells Z that they will fire at Z if Z attempts to leave the building. Answer is C. Which one of the following is an illustration of criminal attempt? Answer is B. A has knocked down 4 teeth of B. A has committed the offense of. Answer is C. Causing grievous hurt. 12th, which are the following is not punishable under the IPC, Indian Penal Code? Answer is A. A minor of 15 years of age left her father's house with rupees 10,000 and accompanied Z to various places. All the travelling as well hotel charges were paid out of the Z During the course of their journey, Z had sexual intercourse with her thrice, with her consent. Here Z is liable under section. Answer is D. 14th. Which of the following is not necessary to constitute abetment by conspiracy? Answer is D. 15th. Match the following. पॉज द वीडियो रोक लें और उसके बाद आंसर्स का लिखें. 15th आंसर इज ए. If in a trial of causing death by negligence, it is established that the accused had been at fault, the victim had also been equally at fault. Answer A. 17th. Homicide is the killing of a human being by a human being. Reason: homicide is always unlawful. Answer C. Indian Penal Code came into force on. It's quite easy question. Answer D. Under section 10 of IPC, man denotes a male human being of. D. Offense is defined under section 40 of IPC. Option number B. Bribery is defined in. Answer is B. Section 171B of IPC. Chapter 12 of the Indian Penal Code deals with. Answer C. Section 489A of IPC is related to. Answer C. Counterfeiting currency notes and banknotes. A. A priest knowingly officiates a bigamous marriage. A is guilty of. Bigamous marriage means second marriage. Answer is D. 25. A threatens B to injure the reputation of C, a deceased, in whom B is interested. A has committed. 25. Answer C. The Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) of 1973 is divided into. Answer is D. No wife shall be entitled to receive maintenance from her husband under Section 124 CRPC if. Answer is D. The Code of Criminal Procedure Amendment Bill 1994 was passed by Lok Sabha on 28B. The maximum term of imprisonment awardable in a summary trial is 29. Answer A. 30. Inherent powers under Section 482 of CRPC can be exercised by 30. Answer is D. The High Court. Which of the following case is known as the Lexington Road shooting conspiracy case? Answer is A. Any person convicted on a trial by an additional session judge for an offence in which sentence of imprisonment is more than 7 years may appeal to. Answer is C. High Court. Under which section of CRPC the provision for reference to High Court is given? Answer is C. Section 395. Who may be called the bail given under Section 436 of CRPC by the subordinate court? C. Court of Session. The provision relating to the charge is given under CRPC. Answer A. Who may commute sentence? Answer C. Who may issue warrant for the execution of a sentence? 37. Answer C. The power of the Supreme Court to transfer cases and appeals from one High Court to another High Court can be exercised on an application from. 38. Answer A. Attorney General of India. 39. Which of the following offences is compoundable? Answer D. All of the above. Section 498, Section 403, Section 298 of IPC. 40. Director of Prosecution shall function under the administrative control of. Answer D. 41. The maximum amount of maintenance provided under the Code of Criminal Procedure is D. No fixed amount. Application for anticipatory bail may be made before. Answer D. Non-cognizable case is defined in Section 2 first of CRPC. Which of the following is the highest criminal court in India? 44. Answer is B. High Court. 45. Who amongst the following is not entitled to maintenance under Section 125 of CRPC 1973? 45. Answer A. Under which section of the Code of Criminal Procedure Directorate of Prosecution has been established? 46. Answer B. Section 25A. 47. The police officer shall bring an arrested person before the court without any delay. This is the mandate of. Option number A. 48. Who among the following can tender pardon to a accomplice under section 306 of the Criminal Procedure Code? 48. Answer D. In which of the following circumstances magistrate has power to convert summon cases into warrant cases? B. In the interest of justice. 50. Examination of person accused of rape by medical practitioner is inserted in the CRPC by the amendment of. Answer is B. Section 74 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 deals with D. Public document. Under which section of Evidence Act legitimacy of a child born during the lawful wedlock is presumed? Answer is A. Section 112. Question number 53. Any question suggesting the answer is called C. Leading question. A prosecutes B for adultery with C, A's wife. B denies that C is A's wife, but the court convicts B of adultery. Afterwards, C is prosecuted for bigamy in marriage B during A's lifetime. C says that she never was A's wife. The judgment against B is B. Irrelevant as against C. 55. Which of the following chapters of the Indian Evidence Act deals with witnesses? Answer D. 56. Which of the following provisions of the Indian Evidence Act was omitted by the Amendment Act of 2002? Answer is C. 57. A woman is raped and makes a statement that A raped her. 2 days later, she commits suicide. Her statement regarding rape is C. 58. Communication made without prejudice is protected. B. Section 23 of the Evidence Act. 59. Necessity rule as to admissibility of evidence is contained in. Answer B. 60. Delhi High Court issued guidelines for the protection of witnesses in. Answer A. Neelam Katra case. 61. Evidence means and includes C. Oral evidence and documentary evidence. 62. Relevancy and admissibility under the Evidence Act are. Answer C. 63. Under the law of evidence, the relevant fact must be legally relevant. B. Or confession of an accused is admissible against the other accused, co-accused. 64 answer is C. 65. A dying declaration to be admissible. 65 answer is D. 66. An expert is competent to testify on which of the following? Answer is D. 67. How many sections and chapters are there in the Indian Evidence Act 1872? 67. Answer A. 68. Facts alleged by one party and denied by the other party in a case are termed as. 68 answer D. 69. The facts which form part of the same transaction are relevant under option B, Section 6 of the Indian Evidence Act. A. Who is unable to speak by birth gives his testimony by writing in open court. Evidence so given is treated under the Evidence Act as oral evidence. B. The fact in issue means. 71. Answer B. Fact, the existence or non-existence of which is disputed by the parties. 72. Defense of alibi is government by. इसका आंसर आप प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं. 73. Any disputed handwriting can be proved. Answer D. Question is this: whether A was raped and murdered, the fact that she said without making complaint that she was raped. 74. Answer is D. Can be relevant under Section 32 first or Section 157 of the Evidence Act. The Indian Evidence Act was drafted by. Answer B. 76. Under which one of the following articles of our Constitution an accused person has been guaranteed the right to be informed of the nature and cause of accusation? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी से बताइए और कमेंट बॉक्स में इसका आंसर लिखिएगा. 77. How many representatives of the Anglo-Indian community was nominated to the State Legislative Assembly by the Governor of the state? Answer C. 1. Article 15 of the Constitution prohibits discrimination between citizens on the basis of. जल्दी 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 इसका आंसर बताइए. Religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Answer D. 79. The President may under Article 56 first be removed from his office by a process of impeachment on the ground of. 79. Answer C. Violation of the Constitution, संविधान के उल्लंघन के आधार पर. 80. Part 4A of the Constitution dealing with fundamental duties was added in the Constitution by. 80. Answer is C. 42वें संविधान संशोधन अधिनियम से. 81. Which one of the following is considered as a supreme source of power? 81. Answer is D. Constitution of India. 82. Article 142 of the Constitution. Answer D. 83. The equal protection of laws in Article 14 has been taken from which country? Asan question. Answer is B. The Supreme Court of India has raised the right of privacy in. Answer is C. Article 21. Right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution does not include the right to die has been held by Supreme Court in which case? Answer is Gyan Kaur Banam Punjab. 86. In which one of the following cases the Supreme Court has declared Article 15(5) as constitutional? Answer is B. Ashok Kumar Thakur versus Union of India. Supreme Court observed that mercy petitions filed under Article 72 and 161 should be disposed of within a period of 3 months from the date when it is received, as unwanted delays tend to shake the confidence in the system of justice. Answer C. Sher Singh versus Punjab Raj. 88. Mention the chronology of the following judgment of the Supreme Court of India starting from the earliest up to the latest case. वीडियो को पॉज करके आराम से आंसर दीजिए इसका. 88. आंसर A. 89. The binding force behind the directive principles of state policy is. Answer A. Lokmat. 90. In which of the following cases of the Supreme Court called Article 22 of the Constitution as ugly provision of the Constitution? 90. Answer D. A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras. 91. The person associated with PIL is. Answer Justice P.N. Bhagwati. 92. In which of the following decisions of the Supreme Court of India a 7-judge bench explained the concept of public interest litigation? Answer C. S.P. Gupta versus Union of India. In which of the following cases the 5 judges constitutional bench observed that doctrine of postponement was aimed at balancing the right of an accused to be presumed innocent till completion of trial with the media's right to freedom of expression? Answer C. 94. Which deciding cases of terrorist which pursuit is to be following? Answer is A. Procedure established by law. विधि द्वारा स्थापित प्रक्रिया. 95. सत्रावसान से तात्पर्य क्या है? What do you understand by prorogation? Answer D. 96. Which statement is not correct? सही नहीं है. 96. Answer C. Supreme Court may give a direction for amending an act. That's wrong. 97. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his children or as the case may be, warred between the age of 6 and 14 years. By which constitutional amendment act this duty included? सही 97 का C. And please comment in the comment box in which year this amendment was done. 98. Which one of the following is not included in Article 21 of the Constitution of India? 98. अभी जस्ट हमने आंसर दिया 98 ए राइट टू डाई, मृत्यु का अधिकार. 99. Which one of the following does not apply to the term office of governor? Answer B. Last question. Following was elected President of India unanimously. सर्वसम्मति से चुना गया राष्ट्रपति कौन था? आंसर सी. एन संजीवा रेड्डी. आज का क्वेश्चन यहीं पर एंड होता है. अगर वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लग रही हो और लोगों को शेयर करें, और हाँ, वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना, शेयर करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम जल्द मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.